Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best Vasco translator on the market, the Vasco V4 language translator device. If you're someone who travels frequently, works with international clients, or simply wants to break down language barriers with ease, this device promises to be a game changer. The Vasco V4 is a sleek, compact device designed to fit right in your pocket, measuring just over 5 inches long and weighing under 5 ounces. What makes this translator truly stand out is its ability to instantly translate 108 languages. Whether you want to hold a conversation, translate text, or even translate text from photos, the Vasco V4 has you covered with impressive accuracy and native-like pronunciation. One of the biggest advantages of this device is its free lifetime internet connectivity. Unlike many other translators that require Wi-Fi or a smartphone connection, Vasco V4 comes with a built-in SIM card that works in nearly 200 countries. This means right out of the box, without any setup or app downloads, you can start translating without worrying about extra data fees or subscriptions. This makes it especially useful for international travel where roaming charges can get expensive. The device supports 3 main translation modes: voice translation, text translation, and photo translation. Voice translation allows you to speak naturally, and it will translate and vocalize the response for easy two-way conversations. The photo translator can scan and translate text from images, menus, signs, or documents in 108 languages. Lastly, the text translator covers 90 languages, ideal for typing in words or sentences you want to understand or convey. In terms of design, Vasco Electronics has focused on both functionality and user experience. The device is straightforward to use. Just power it on, select your language pair, and start speaking. The screen is clear, and the buttons are intuitive, making it accessible for all ages and tech skill levels. Its loud and clear audio output ensures that even users with hearing difficulties can benefit from it. The Vasco V4 also features high-quality translations, aiming to give you not just word-for-word conversion but contextually relevant phrases and expressions. This makes conversations feel more natural and less robotic. Plus, being an EU brand, Vasco Electronics brings reliability and consistent updates to the product to keep it running smoothly. Battery life is another important factor, and the Vasco V4 is powered by a lithium-ion battery that lasts through long travel days. It's lightweight and durable, making it a reliable companion on any trip. To sum it up, the Vasco V4 language translator device is an impressive all-in-one translation tool that provides extensive language coverage, free lifetime connectivity, and easy, fast translations. Whether you are traveling, working in a multilingual environment, or just want to communicate effortlessly across cultures, the Vasco V4 delivers on its promise to eliminate language barriers efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product insights.